Hello, I am Captain Ryan Dodson. I am husband to a beautiful wife and father to two outstanding little boys. I joined the North Carolina Air National Guard way back in 2002 on the enlisted side. I attended college first at the University of North Carolina in Asheville with the hopes of getting a degree in broadcast meteorology. But after 3 semesters, that dream would not come true. I ended up taking a CONUS backfill position at Langley Air Force Base, and after 8 months, I restarted my hopes of getting a degree and finished in 2008 at University of North Carolina in Greensboro with a Bachelor of Arts in History. Shortly after that, I was commissioned. For my influences, I never really had that one person that most people have that you look up to or strive to be like or really model your career after. Don't get me wrong, I've had people I've respected and looked up to, but not that one person. I feel that that made the impact on my decisions and inspired me to become who I am. I feel seriously, not trying to be cocky, that I got where I have by looking back on my younger self and seeing what I did wrong and going and fixing that problem and bettering myself. Every job I've had throughout my life, I attained a position of leadership, either through being promoted or through respect from my peers. And I served as a department manager for 3 departments in Home Depot, and also I worked as a police officer for the city of Greensboro, North Carolina. And that I never attained a rank of authority, but my peers usually put me ahead of everything else in charge of the more difficult cases. And now my current position at GS-10 at Hunter Army Airfield, I have my own weather team that I lead currently, and that was through hard work. I guess I could say I learned from my negative experiences and just tried to better myself and be the leader that I feel I should be. This led me to my values, being the best you can be. If you observe that you have done something negative that takes away from your overall goal, change the habit or action. Always strive to be a better person each day. For me, that meant figuring out what I wanted to do and becoming the best at everything I could, or at least be good enough to hang with the truly best people and learn from them. I expect the people I lead to be best at what they do, and if they're not, to get the knowledge and experience that they need to be the best. Along with being the best and bettering myself, I value honesty. I speak with people in a direct way. My experiences as a police officer, nobody wants stuff sugar-coated. If you speak directly, they'll give you respect. With my 16 personalities test, I got entertainer. I didn't really feel that I was an entertainer, so I took the test several more times. Every time I got entertainer, I resolved to go with that. So I looked up what entertainer actually was. Bold, practical, observant, original with a splash of showmanship. Okay, now I can kind of see that. But with the good also comes the bad. And for that, look for poor sensitivity, easily bored, poor long-term planners. I can kind of see that, and that's not good leadership qualities. My leadership style is basically learning from my team and using my team the way that they should be used in the situations that would prompt their use. I prefer to speak with my airmen directly. I might talk a little bit more than I should, but I will not sugarcoat anything, and they know they're getting the truth regardless if it's nice or not.